Welcome to the Mitsubishi Electric product video series. In this video, we will be covering the PEA-M LAA High Capacity Ducted Series. Mitsubishi Electric ducted air conditioning is a flexible system that provides a central air conditioning solution to maintain comfort throughout the whole home or partial home settings. The indoor unit of a ducted system is installed in the ceiling space and utilizes a ducted network to deliver air throughout the different living spaces. This is often combined with a zone control system that allows you to shut off selected sections of the house, or zones, while still conditioning the occupied spaces. Connected to the indoor unit is the Mr. Slim outdoor unit, which contains the compressor, the heart of the system. The outdoor unit can be installed neatly on the side of the house, requiring only a small footprint with its slim design. Mitsubishi Electric introduces the Mr. Slim large capacity ducted units in an R32 refrigerant. The PEA-M LAA Series ducted units have a single indoor unit chassis size for the three capacity classes, the 18, 20, and 24.5 kilowatts. The LAA Series ducted units are fundamentally engineered to provide high-capacity, whole-home air conditioning. The indoor unit controls of the LAA ducted systems are intuitive, with simple mode selection from cool, dry, fan, and heat modes at the touch of a button. There is also auto mode available, which allows you to set a single set point and allows the air conditioner to switch between cooling and heating automatically when required. Each of the cooling, heating, and auto modes have a set point range you can customize to suit your preference. For cooling, the set point is 19 to 30 degrees Celsius, for heating, 17 to 28 degrees, and for auto mode, it is 19 to 28 degrees Celsius. The LAA also has an option to set a dual set point in auto mode, rather than a single set point. This allows you to set a different set point for both cooling and heating, with a deadband between the two for when ambient conditions are comfortable that allows the air conditioner to operate with just the fan to circulate the air, which contributes to energy saving. The LAA has a flexible fan speed setting, including low, mid 1, mid 2, and high fan speed. There is also auto fan speed that allows the unit to determine which setting is required automatically based on the room temp and set point. In addition to these functions, the LAA unit can have a 7-day timer schedule that can be programmed from the controller, allowing you to set start and stop times based on your daily schedule. The PEA-M 180 LAA system is not only available in 3-phase along with the other models, but is also available in single-phase, making it one of the largest capacity units available on the market with single-phase power options. This is a key feature to take into consideration when selecting your air conditioner, as it eliminates the need for expensive 3-phase power supply upgrades that would otherwise be required. The LAA series has a unique engineering upgrade to its fan barrel. The standard Sirocco fan design has been improved by the Mitsubishi Electric patented auxiliary turbo blade design. This has allowed the static pressure setting to be increased up to 250 pascals for all models, while still maintaining efficiency and quality of operation. The static pressure is the resistance to airflow inside the ductwork. The static pressure setting is what determines the indoor unit's ability to overcome this static pressure. The higher the static pressure settings, measured in pascals, the more resistance the fan can overcome. All ductwork should be sized and installed by a qualified professional to ensure the unit operates as intended. Accompanying the LAA series indoor units are the Mr. Slim series outdoor units, the PUZ-ZM Power Inverter series outdoor unit. The placement of the outdoor units needs to be taken into careful consideration, requiring enough ventilation for correct operation and ground space for access to the unit. The Mr. Slim series outdoor units have been designed with a slim depth of just 330mm plus 40mm for the feet brackets across the range. This assists in keeping the unit footprint small for ease of location and placement, while still providing the capacity to condition your home. The PUZ-ZM Power Inverter series has a twin fan chassis for all models, providing a uniform selection when considering where to locate your air conditioning outdoor unit. The PUZ-ZM 180 outdoor unit is available in both single and 3-phase power supply options, while the 200 and 250 capacity classes are 3-phase only, providing you additional flexibility when it comes to selecting the most suitable air conditioner for your requirements. It can also help reduce the need for costly upgrades to an electrical board, switching from single to three-phase power. To identify each unit by its model number, you look at the suffix immediately following the capacity numeric, designated in the model name. This will either be a V or a Y. The V designates the unit as a single-phase power supply, and the Y designates the unit as a three-phase power supply. When it comes to the guaranteed operating range, the PEA-M Power Inverter series provides an expansive range from -5 to a sweltering 52 degrees Celsius in cooling mode, and from a chilly -20 to 21 degrees in heating mode. With the large capacity available for the LAA Series air conditioners and the large areas it can condition, it becomes possible to have the indoor unit installation located quite some distance from the outdoor unit, including on separate floors. To allow for flexibility in installation location, the PEA-M 200 and 250 outdoor models have been engineered to allow up to an impressive 100 meters of pipework connecting to the indoor unit. While this distance of pipework is impressive, installations below 50 meters have their own advantages, such as the use of downsized pipework, which has the beneficial option of going from hard-drawn copper to soft-drawn copper pipe for easier installation. It also has no requirements for adding additional refrigerant to the system, as the precharge in the system is sufficient for up to 50 meters of pipework. When it comes to comparing new to old Mr. Slim air conditioners for new installations or replacements, the PEA-M 250 YKA outdoor unit stands out for its re-engineered design. The 250 model has had its height reduced by 18%, a 30% reduction in weight, and a colossal 55% reduction in width when compared to its predecessor. The Mr. Slim outdoor units utilize R32 refrigerant, which has a global warming potential of 675, which is just 1/3 of the global warming potential of the previous R410A refrigerant, which makes it more environmentally friendly than its predecessor, while also maintaining a higher efficiency value when utilized in an air conditioning system. The Mr. Slim outdoor units are also fitted with a DC inverter-driven compressor to increase its efficiency when compared with a conventional non-inverter-driven system, which reduces the operating cost. The Mr. Slim outdoor units are also DRED-enabled. This means that you can choose to join a demand response program if offered by your utility provider. DRED stands for Demand Response Enabling Device, and provides a function whereby the energy supply agent can limit the operation of an appliance at times of peak demand or high stress on the energy grid, in order to protect the grid from overloading, which could cause damage or loss of electrical supply. When looking at a new air conditioning system, one of the many details to consider is the efficiency of the unit. As part of the Australian requirements, all air conditioners are required to meet a Minimum Energy Performance Standard, or MEPS for short. This performance standard is governed by the Greenhouse and Energy Minimum Standard, or GEMS, and has been created to allow the government to set a mandatory minimum efficiency requirement for regulated products, as well as increase Australians' awareness of the options to improve energy efficiency and reduce energy consumption. As part of this requirement, all units are tested for specific locations across Australia. These locations are divided into 3 zones: hot for the northern parts of Australia or places with high ambient temperatures, like Brisbane and Darwin; average for the central band across Australia, including locations like Adelaide, Perth and Sydney; and cold for the southern regions of Australia or areas with colder than average climates, including Melbourne and Hobart. The efficiency of the unit is tested in both cooling and heating, and is calculated by a set number of test points and data points designated by the MEPS standard. For cooling, this is represented by a TC-SPF value, which stands for Total Cooling Seasonal Performance Factor. For heating, it is represented by a HSPF value, or Heating Seasonal Performance Factor. Utilizing the MEPS information, Australians will have access to information that will allow them to make better choices to improve energy efficiency in their homes and reduce energy consumption. To make a comparison, you simply find the products you are interested in, look at the zone you are located in, and compare the TC, SPF, and HSPF values. The higher the value, the more efficient the product is. The LAA Series indoor units have a variety of control options available for selection when you are considering what would suit your home. There is the standard MA wired wall controller, the PEA-M MAA with built-in 7-day scheduling, the PEA-CT01 MAA touchscreen controller, selectable with or without Bluetooth integration. The Mitsubishi Electric Zone Controller allows you to condition your whole home or shut off unused rooms at the touch of a button, as well as the optional Mitsubishi Electric Wi-Fi control, which can be used in concert with any of the other controls, and allows you to control your air conditioner from the convenience of your phone. The Mitsubishi Electric Zone Controller allows you to divide your home into zones. Zoning is the ability to turn off a section of your ducted air conditioning system when not in use. The Zone Controller expands the functionality of a ducted air conditioner, delivering conditioned air where you want it in the home or office, with the ability to create up to 4 or up to 8 separate zones. Why condition unoccupied spaces? This can help reduce the load on the air conditioner and lower its power consumption. The Zone Controller is also compatible with the Mitsubishi Electric Wi-Fi control system, allowing you to control your zones from the controller or from your phone for added convenience. The optional Wi-Fi interface is available with all current Mitsubishi Electric ducted systems, allowing you to control your air conditioner from your phone, tablet, or online account, provided that you have an active internet connection. The Wi-Fi interface plugs into the CN105 terminal on the indoor control board, or the Zone Controller interface if connected. One Wi-Fi interface is required per indoor unit. However, multiple Wi-Fi interfaces can be registered and controlled from a single account, allowing control of all of your air conditioners from one convenient app. The Mitsubishi Electric Wi-Fi app is also compatible with the Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant systems. This allows voice control of your air conditioner through these devices. Key points of the LAA Ducted Series air conditioners. All units come with a 5-year warranty for domestic and commercial installations, a flexible selection of indoor temperature settings and fan speeds, dual set point in auto mode, 18 kilowatt single-phase ducted system, one of the largest single-phase ducted units on the market, an improved fan design for higher efficiency, flexible range of static pressures available, a wide range of control options, optional zone control, optional Wi-Fi control, extended pipe runs for flexible installation, the PUZ-ZM250 outdoor unit with reduced size and weight, and a guaranteed operating range from a chilly -20 degrees up to a scorching 52 degrees Celsius. And finally, Mitsubishi Electric's quality assurance, that every single unit is tested before it leaves the factory. That's our commitment to quality.